Hi, today we are going to see about the orbits of the satellites. First of all, we want to define space. What is a space? Space is defined as a place free from obstacles. It can be divided into three regions. The region below 100 kilometers from Earth's surface is called airspace, and the region ranges between 100 km to 42,000 km is called outer space or cosmic space. This outer space and cosmic space is used for satellite communications. The region beyond 42,000 kilometers falls into deep space category. Okay, the satellites are classified into active satellites and passive satellites. The active satellites are used for linking and also for processing the signals. The linkage is known as bent pipe technology, where processing like frequency translation, power amplification, etc. takes place. Active satellites employ regenerative technology, which consists of demodulation processing, frequency translation, switching and power amplification are carried out. The blocks used for this purpose is called transponder. Passive satellites do not have onboard processing and are just used to link two stations through space. It's low cost, low of power, not useful for communication applications. The historical overview of satellites are: in 1945, the theorist named Clark studied that satellite orbiting in equatorial orbit at a radius of approximately 42,000 km would look as if stationary if moves at a specific speed. Three satellites at a space of 120 degrees apart can cover the whole world. Evolution of the concept of geostationary Earth orbit. In 1950, transatlantic cable opened, and in 1957, first man-made satellite launched by former USSR. It is named as Sputnik 1. It is launched in low Earth orbit. It was used to identify atmospheric density of various orbital uses. It provided data about radio signal distribution in ionosphere. In 1958, first US satellite launched, named as SCO. First voice communication established via LEO satellite. It lasts 35 days in orbit. In 1960, first passive communication satellite was launched. In 1962, first active communication satellite was launched in medium Earth orbit. So in 1960, the large balloons were flyed out in the sky. It receives the signal and transmit to the another balloons. This is a passive communication satellite. In 1963, first satellite into geostationary Earth orbit was launched. In 1964, International Telecom Satellite Organization was created. In 1970, the geo applications development was consolidated. 1972, first domestic satellite system operation was started in Canada, and first successful direct broadcast experiment was done by USA and India in 1975. In 1979, International Mobile Satellite Organization was established. In 1980, the geostationary Earth orbit applications was extended. In 1981, first reusable launch vehicle was launched. In 1982, International Maritime Communications made operational. The first direct-to-home broadcast system operation was started in Japan in the year 1984. Successful trials of land mobile communication, Inmarsat, was started in the year 1987. In 1989 to 90, global mobile communication service extended to land mobile and aeronautical use. Now in current days, in the year 1998 to 2000, mobile LEO systems initiate service and fail afterwards. So the orbital types are classified into three: low Earth orbit, that is LEO; medium Earth orbit, MEO, and geostationary Earth orbit, GEO. The height of low Earth orbit satellite was between 500 to 1000 kilometers, and the height of medium Earth orbit was between 8000 to 12,000 kilometers. The geostationary Earth orbit height is approximately 36,870 kilometers. For LEO satellite, the period to revolve around the Earth takes 1.6 hours to 1.8 hours, and for medium Earth orbit, approximately 6 hours was taken, and for geostationary, approximately 1 day will take to rotate the Earth. In the next session, we are going to see about the LEO, MEO, and GEO satellites in detail. Thank you.